Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to teach you how to reduce slippage on IC markets in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing you need to do, you log in your account and of course let's say okay, go to the demo account and after that go to downloads in order for us to go to the um, its website. So, okay, you just open WebTrader. Okay, so just choose demo and continue to MT5. Okay, let's just have to wait for this, guys. Okay, so how are we going to reduce slippage? Is like when we go to new order. Okay, or simply like um, by choosing the symbol we must reduce choosing majors news. We just need to go to the with minors. Okay, so in order for us to reduce slippage, okay, they just choose this one and after that click the new order. So okay, so you can choose either how many volume. You can also select or put some stop loss, like when you set expected price you can select stop loss like okay when it's like when it's near at the expected price you want, so you can actually stop the selling. So guys, that's it guys, I hope you enjoy and learn something from this quick tutorial. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for me for more quick tutorials in IC markets global website. Thank you.